Want to make a trash and blender in easy way? First add a honeycomb. Adjust the number of rows and columns. Add a curve circle and curve modifier. Select the object. Apply it. Scale the curve and adjust the size of bucket. Apply modifier and press M in edit mode. Select merge by distance to remove extra vertices. Now, select both edges and press SZ0 to make edge straight. Now, extrude both sides. Add little detail to make look good. Select bottom edge. Press F to fill. Add solidify modifier for thickness. Do shade smooth, and for good result, add subdivision modifier also.